if you're listening, you can hear them just settle down when they get this sugar water sprayed on them. You're like, whoa, this is really good. This is the toughest part. And these have been in a while, so there's wax buildup on these cans.
Sounds pretty empty. Huh?
Oh, there's actually a little bit in this one.
Oh, that's good.
Gross.
Oh, that had the...
There you go. And then spray this a little bit.
Oh, look at that.
Queen looks good. And you can see they're starting to build burr comb.
Yeah, I was gonna
They're
ask,
starting
is
to
that
build
what
burr
it is?
comb on the edge of the queen because that's where all the pheromones are. So that's where they're going to do all their work.
Oh, yeah, I can see that. Everybody's
Yeah, bee on you.
Pop the frame out of there.
Is he gone?
Yeah, he's still on.
Can you just brush him off?
We just move all to one side. Middle, well, that's
Only
not.
danger is this is squeezing.
That's ready to go.
No, he
No,
just,
no.
he has it sitting on the side. He didn't put her in yet.
That's a lot of bees.
He hasn't.
How many thousand in one box, Max? Usually?
My guess is
Between
somewhere
5
around
and 7?
6,
Oh.
6 to 7, something like that. I'm not positive.
That's way more
I
than
haven't
I
looked at
thought.
that number in a while.
Oh. I thought it was like
I'm going to just
2
throw
or 3.
this down here. They'll come out of
Six
there
or
and go in
seven.
here.
Yeah.
Okay, queen. Queen cork is just about out.
Yeah,
You can
so
see the queen cork is just about out. I got lots of bees right here.
she won't just like fly away.
And remember, you have to turn this a 90 degree. You want to try making it so she doesn't
Fly away.
cork is out.
Oh, I see. Then yeah, she's actually.
Okay.
It's not like she
A
was,
little bit. That's good. That's good. There we go.
You didn't put any marshmallow or anything in there, huh?
What's that?
You didn't put any marshmallow in there?
No, I don't do the marshmallow thing. I just get her right down there and pop her out. I do a quick release.
Yeah.
You do the marshmallow thing, Gretchen?
I'm still new. I do all
You don't
whatever, you know, the book says. Yeah. I just wondered. Yeah.
We
So
could
maybe
actually
you don't
let
have
that
to
sit,
do it,
maybe
huh?
John, just maybe on this edge, yeah. If we tip it up, they'll be able to get to it. Just the holes down. There you go. Good. And one more thing.
This has plenty of
I want to reduce the entrance just a little bit.
so like the sugar water and the corn, right?
Right.
That was what was
Right.
sustaining them.
Little bees flying around.
Yeah, you put
See, they don't even bother you.
Oh.
They don't bother me at all.
And when you do the entrance reduction,
I'm trying to like
I always do the, leave the hole the opposite side as the sugar water.
Stuff in that. Why?
So that they don't get robbed.
Right. If you leave the hole here, it's the bees, the guard bees will actually back off. If a robbing set of robbing bees come in, they'll back off and just let them, because all they want to do is come in and get the sugar water and leave. They'll kind of back off and let them do that. If it's here, they won't let them come into the hive as a general rule. And I have a very active hive just down to the end of this field right down here, so I know that they would come and do that. Here you go, guys. Good luck.
How long do you leave that opening minimized?
The one thing nice about doing paper is the minimized, they'll actually choose